If you want to update Microsoft Edge in Windows 11, this video will show you the quickest way to do it. It only takes a few seconds, and the best part is that Edge can check for updates automatically for you. So if your browser has been running a little slow, acting buggy, or you just want to make sure you have the latest features and security fixes, this is the method you want to use. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Once the browser is open, go straight to the address bar at the top. This is where you normally type website addresses, but here you're going to type a special settings page instead. Type edge://settings/help and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Edge will take you directly to the About page. This page is built into the browser and is the fastest way to check for updates. You do not need to search through menus or dig through settings because this shortcut brings you right to the update screen. Once the page loads, Edge will automatically start checking for updates. You may see a message saying it is looking for updates, and if one is available, the browser will begin downloading and installing it right away. In many cases, this happens completely in the background, so all you really need to do is wait a moment and let it finish. If Edge is already up to date, you'll see a message confirming that. If it finds an update, let it install fully before closing anything. After the update finishes, you may be prompted to restart the browser so the new version can take effect. If that happens, just reopen Microsoft Edge and you're done. That's really all there is to it. By using edge://settings/help, you can quickly update Microsoft Edge in Windows 11 without wasting time looking around through menus. It's simple, fast, and one of the best ways to make sure your browser stays secure and performs properly. If this helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.